Master Machine Learning, Complete Guide for Beginners. Author, Denis Sanchez Leiva. Overview. In a world increasingly driven by data and technology, understanding machine learning is no longer just an option, it's a necessity. Master Machine Learning, Complete Guide for Beginners, is your comprehensive guide to navigating the fascinating and rapidly evolving field of machine learning. Who should read this book? This book is tailored for a diverse audience. Students and professionals, ideal for those pursuing academic programs in data science, artificial intelligence, or machine learning, and software developers looking to expand their skill set. Prerequisites. While no extensive prior knowledge of machine learning is required, a basic understanding of Python programming and fundamental mathematics, algebra and statistics, is recommended. Conclusion. Master Machine Learning, Complete Guide for Beginners, is not just a book, it's a gateway to the world of machine learning. Whether you are a student, a professional, or an enthusiast, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to master machine learning and apply it to real-world problems. Get your copy. Embark on your journey to mastering machine learning. Get your copy today and transform your understanding of data and technology. Master Machine Learning, Complete Guide for Beginners by Denis Sanchez Leiva.